Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. The ROK Hotel in downtown Kingston has been officially opened. The development, which is a member of the Tapestry Collection Hotels by Hilton, was executed by Panjam Investments. Executive Chairman of Panjam, Stephen Facey, says the project was built to the tune of more than $50 million.
This has been a 7-year journey to get to today. We've probably invested about $50 million in the overall project. This is a hospitality, residences, has some office space, nice mixed-use development. So we're very pleased to be finally open, and we have a great partnership with Hilton and Highgate to actually operate the hotel.
Mr. Facey says about 50% of the apartment units have already been sold. That segment of the development should be completed by the end of the year.
The hotel has 168 keys. I forget the exact number, but 60 or 70 of them are suites. But that is the hotel. We also, the property has 40 apartments. Well, there's 36 apartments and 6 penthouses on the top 4 floors. Those are for sale.
On the stock markets, the JSE index declined by 1,091 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 6 points. Among the winners were T-Tech, Cargo Handlers, JMMB Group's 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Eppley's 6% preference shares due 2024, and JMMB Group's 7.25% shares. On the losing side were Eppley's 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Iron Rock Insurance Company, ISP Finance Services, Knutsford Express Services, and Eppley. Now, the U.S. currency is being sold for an average $152.77. $117.44 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $182.48 for the pound, and $156.09 for the euro. And that's it for the business day.